A-frame popularity began to rise in the mid-1950s. This iconic style home is open and inviting. The interior creates a natural space easy to feel at home in. The home is heated with electric wall heaters and a wood-burning stove. The all-roof, no-wall architectural style is very practical and low maintenance in the winter. With over 1,700 square feet, there is room in this home to comfortably sleep 6 people. This home is on 2 acres, built in the 1960s, new roof, new paint, and still maintains its nostalgic charm. The west side of the property borders public land and provides semi-private beach access. If you want to see more of this home or have a family vacation getaway, 2 acres, bordered by public land, give me a call.